Hi, this is Noelle, and today we're going to talk about scraps. There's a rule in my studio, in my house, in my life, that there is no scrap left behind. Doesn't matter how small it is, I will use it for something. So I have a whole bunch of these white scraps, which are selvages from fabric that I have had printed on spoon flour. So they're already cut into strips. Tried to decide what to do with them over the years. So all this white cotton has become all these different colors. I just take them and dye them in batches, and just also experimenting with dyes. I want to see, what it takes to make darker colors, lighter colors. I've been really interested in weaving lately, weaving with scraps specifically, because it's a great way to use up all your scraps. But today I'm going to try with this little loom. It's a good place to start, and then I think hopefully I'll move up to rugs and to bigger things as an excellent way to use up your scraps. is what the back side looks like. And I took out most of the knots because they just made it really bulky. And I left the extra pieces just hanging out because they're underneath. If this is used on a table, there's no reason to have a knot there. If it was going to be a rug or you planned on washing it a lot, you might want to tack this down just with like a little stitch on all of these. But otherwise, it gets flattened out and it mostly stays in place.